My name is Jon Hagen and I'm Chief Architect at Eika Gruppen, and I'm also responsible for security. Based in Norway, Eika Gruppen is an alliance of 46 banks. We make it possible for small local banks to have modern and efficient banking operations. In 22 and 23 we were struggling with a lot of phishing and huge losses. With the Featurespace solution fully integrated at the end of 23, I'm pleased to share that we have reduced our phishing losses by almost 90% in 24. With the huge losses we took in 23, we were motivated to implement the Featurespace system as quickly as possible. Having looked at the APIs and the very sensible data model of Featurespace, we understood that we could do the integration really quickly. And I am very proud that our teams got this up and running in 5 weeks. An incredible achievement. Eika was grappling with 3 key challenges when it came to fraud prevention. The first challenge was the increasing fraud rates. Banks across Norway have experienced a surge in fraud attempts in recent years, particularly in the form of phishing attacks where fraudsters were targeting elderly customers. The losses per case were substantial. The second challenge, complex fraud patterns. The sophistication of attacks by fraudsters was making it difficult to identify and prevent attacks using existing systems. And finally, until the end of 23, we were not able to park transactions for manual review in a well-suited manner. When this was resolved, we had a setup that fit perfectly with the real-time fraud check in a system like Featurespace. Now we were almost ready to prevent the fraud that plagued us. We also needed to adjust the rules of the system so they could target the particular fraud patterns we were experiencing in a precise manner. We had a good set of rules within a month, but have continued to evolve the rules also in the past year. The ability to test the rules on historic data is a key benefit in the ERIC system. This helps us tremendously to incrementally refine the rules without risking to suddenly generate a huge number of false positives. The technology learns and adapts in real time and profiles normal user behavior in an efficient manner. As fraud patterns evolve, we will need to add more rules and maybe adjust some of the old ones, but many of the changes are also provided under the hood in the Featurespace system. Adjustment of the rules is also easy, given the powerful support from the system. Eika is a fairly small actor transaction-wise, so we probably don't have enough volume to run our own AI models. We needed something to help us detect the more complex fraud cases, like investment fraud, in a better manner than we can currently use with rules. We are now testing Scam Detect, a pre-trained AI model from Featurespace. We see this as key to maintaining protection as fraud tactics evolve.